Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. We're going to be introducing a very special soup made with goji berry leaves. Now we're using pork marrow bone to make the soup broth, but you can use pork loin, pork chop, or pork neck bone as well. Wolfberry leaves contain a lot of different vitamins that are great for you, and growing up my mom would always say it's good for your eyes. One of the reasons my family likes to grow the wolfberry plant is that it's a zero waste plant, meaning that we're going to be using the stem and the leaves to make the soup. One of the very important things I learned from my mom is that you need to plant a variety of vegetables in your garden so that you can harvest them all season. You can use them in soups, stir fries, and there's so many different ways you can cook the vegetables. When you're removing the leaves, be very careful close to the bottom. As the stems get older, they start to develop very thick and sharp thorns. You will need to rinse and drain the leaves twice, and also you're going to need to wash the stems. To prepare the pork soup broth, you can use pork marrow bone, pork loin, pork chop, or pork neck bone. You're going to rinse the pork clean, and then you're going to bring the water to a boil. Rinse the pork with cold water and then add it to your soup pot. You will also need to bundle up the stems of the goji berry and add that to the soup pot as well. When you're adding water to make your soup broth, make sure you add enough water to cover all of the pork. Remember, the more pork you use, the more tasty your soup broth is going to be. Another important ingredient in the soup is black beans. You will need to rinse and add a 1/4 cup of black beans to the soup. We like to eat the pork marrow inside the pork marrow bone. We also like to dip the pork in a little bit of soy sauce and eat that as well. We also eat the black beans, the leaves, and the goji berries that are in the soup. When you add the leaves and the goji berries to the soup, make sure that you boil it until they soften. Sometimes we also marinate a little bit of liver and add it to the soup. It's really important not to overcook your liver or it becomes really rough. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious and healthy recipe. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.